Hi guys, I wanted to try something cool here. Making a video the last 15 minutes of the market, 3:45 p.m. The market closes at 4 p.m. So I'm gonna open my investing broker Thinkorswim top left. It's free, guys. This is Apple. I just wanted to show you guys something. So this is a very liquid stock. That means that it's trading very actively. So look up here, it shows you there's a chart down in the middle. Everyone wants to see the chart. Up here it shows you the volume on the top left, 130.59 million, 0.6.62. It's climbing as I'm talking. That's million shares traded today. The price in the top left, 127 and change, is changing as I speak. That's the price per share. So we've had 130 million shares traded so far today at $127 a piece. You guys can do the math at how much money has been traded back and forth on Apple today alone. Top left is the market cap, which is the value of the company. All you do is you multiply the number of shares that are outstanding on the company. You multiply that by the price of the share. That gives you that number. Couple other numbers here, like the 52 week low, 52 week high on this page. The open is the price that it opened this morning, 127.72. The high of the day was 131. The low of the day was 126.55. So we go back down to the chart that everyone wants to look at. You can zoom in, zoom out. This is a one-day chart. Each candle represents 1 minute, so that's why the chart is named 1 day, 1 minute here. So I'm zoomed out. You can see pre-market trading early this morning. Dropped pretty hard. Most of the general public can start trading when the market opens at 9:30. So I'll zoom into that point. You can see it dropped pretty hard from 128.50. Dropped pretty hard, guys, and I've got some indicators set up on here. So like the green line, the red line, those are moving averages, so they kind of give you indications. The gray bars along the bottom is volume bars. That's mostly what I wanted to show you on this video. The volume's picking up towards the end of the day. The stock started selling off. I mean, it had a good day. It recovered throughout the day. They call this a reversal. Made it all the way up to 131 at about noontime. From there, it just reversed all the way down here. So you can see we were above the moving averages and then now broke below them. So trying to find a bottom here, you use these charts. So you can see where we're trading now, about 127, 126.99. You can see, guys, how that lines up with what I'm saying is it's bouncing off that area basically, and the volume is picking up. So it's consolidating basically. It's trading sideways. It's all good things. The volume's picking up, bouncing repeatedly off the same area. The slope of the downward trend is kind of decreasing. So we have these other indicators. RSI, this is an indicator of overbought and oversold, and it corresponds to the charts right above it. So when your number is on the top of the chart, RSI of 70 or above, that top pink line of 70, when it's up there, that means the stock's extremely overbought and you want to be selling it if you're a short-term trader. When the RSI is low or below that line of 20, it's oversold and you want to be buying it. So you see how that corresponds to the chart right above it here. When it's oversold here, well, that wouldn't have been a good indicator because you could have bought and it's still dropping, still dropping, still dropping. So you don't always want to use just one indicator, guys. You want to make sure they match each other. So looking at the chart itself, I would say it's a good buy right now under 127. You look at the RSI, it's kind of indicating that it's oversold. It's near the bottom of the RSI. There's another indicator here, on balance volume. I can't explain this one as well I do know it's an indicator of larger firms buying and selling shares. Um, so, I mean, I treat that kind of similar as the RSI. And then the bottom indicator I have is volume weighted MACD. Um, it's also a moving average, and it also accounts for volume. So it'll tell you, not only the price action as far as moving averages, but it's going to show you the volume of buyers. So we always like volume. You can see when it gets lower, that was a sell off on high volume. I got really sold off here, and this will all correspond right above. So see, it was sold off, and we're continuing to sell off. So you can change these charts. We're on a 1 day now. You can do a 5 day, zoom out a little, gives you more context what you're looking at. Go out to a 10 day, same thing, a little more context what you're looking at. Go to a 20 day. I like the 20 day the most. It really gives you an idea, and then you can go ahead and use your little line here. So this is where we're at about now. It just kind of gives you more of an idea. We're below the moving averages, the red and the green lines. We're well below it, and usually traders use that as an indication of a buy. You look at our other indicators I explained to you, the RSI and the on-balance volume, they're on the lower end, which signals a buy. Move on out to a 6-month moving average, which is a 180-day moving average. People like to use this a lot too. It gives you context. So Apple's been really bullish. Basically, I mean, all year. It's been above these moving averages, broke below it a little bit, went back above it. Usually stays above it, guys, so now we're breaking down to it, even threatening to go below it. And I just have a feeling traders are going to swarm in here and buy this dip. So I just want to make this video to kind of show you guys what I look at as far as charts. I'm going back to the 1 day chart. Volume's picking up. You see that big bar? Still selling off. We're below 127 still. You see the volume is picking up. See that big gray bar, and our next candle is forming a green candle. So this is live. I'm recording this live. This is Apple trading right now, the end of the day. RSI is bouncing off the bottom, and it's indicating a buy, or that the stock is oversold, and clearly it's oversold today. Apple down 3.33%. That's a huge move for Apple, guys. So you can see the volumes picking up as the shares are going down. You want to line all these indicators up together. You don't want to use just one, just volume, just the chart, just the RSI. When they all line up, which they are right now, it signals a buy, and you see the green candle starting to form. So I hope you guys maybe learned something from this. I'm going to be making some more videos, and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.